How to install Ubuntu for beginners. Imagine turning your computer into a powerful tool that's free, flexible, and full of possibilities. If you are curious about how to get started with Ubuntu, a popular Linux distribution, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together so you can confidently install Ubuntu on your machine. First, check your computer's storage. You need at least 25 gigabytes of free space to install Ubuntu comfortably. It's also smart to back up your important files before starting, especially if you plan to replace your current operating system. You can install Ubuntu as the only system or alongside Windows in a dual boot setup, which allows you to choose between the two when you turn on your computer. Next, visit the official Ubuntu website and download the latest Ubuntu desktop ISO file. This file is like a digital blueprint of the operating system. It's free to download and safe, as it comes directly from the developers. Once downloaded, you will need to create a bootable USB drive. Use a USB flash drive with at least 12 gigabytes of space. There are free tools like Rufus or Balena Etcher that make writing the ISO image to the USB simple. Just select the ISO file and the USB drive in the tool, then start the process. It usually takes about 10 minutes. Now, restart your computer and access the boot menu. This is often done by pressing a key like F12, F2, ESC, or del right after turning on your machine. From there, select your USB drive as the boot device. Your computer will load into a live Ubuntu environment, which lets you try Ubuntu without installing it or jump straight into the installation. In the live environment, you will see an option to try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. Click on Install Ubuntu to begin the setup wizard. The wizard will ask you to choose your language and keyboard layout. Connecting to the internet during installation helps download updates and drivers automatically. You will then see options for how to install Ubuntu. If you want to erase everything on your disk and install Ubuntu, choose Erase Disk and Install Ubuntu. If you want to keep Windows and install Ubuntu alongside it, select Install Ubuntu alongside Windows. For advanced users, there is a something else option that allows manual partitioning. Next, set your time zone based on your location. Then, create a user account by entering a username and password. This account will be your main login for Ubuntu. Once everything looks good, click Install Now and let the installer do its work. The process copies files, sets up the system, and installs necessary software. Depending on your hardware, this can take from 10 to 30 minutes. When the installation finishes, you will be prompted to restart your computer. Remove the USB drive when asked, so your system boots into Ubuntu instead of the installer. Your computer will now start with Ubuntu, ready for you to explore. Ubuntu is a Linux-based operating system known for its stability, security, and open-source nature. It supports a wide range of software and is popular for both beginners and experienced users. Whether you want to learn, develop, or just enjoy a different kind of computer experience, installing Ubuntu is a straightforward process that opens many doors.